Have you ever wondered how our beautiful planet came into existence? It's a tale that takes us back some 4.5 billion years, a journey through time and space that commences with a monumental event known as the Big Bang. The Big Bang, as many of you likely know, is the widely accepted theory about the birth of our universe. Picture an infinitesimally small and infinitely dense point, a singularity. Then in a split second, it explodes with unimaginable force, expanding and cooling to eventually form the universe we know today. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. After the Big Bang, the universe was a hot, dense soup of particles. As it expanded, it cooled, and these particles began to combine to form atoms. These atoms, primarily hydrogen and helium, started to clump together under the force of gravity, eventually forming galaxies and stars. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, was one of these. Inside the swirling mass of gas and dust, stars were born, lived, and died. Their deaths, often in spectacular supernovae, spewed out heavy elements across the galaxy. It was from this stardust that our solar system, and indeed our Earth, was born. Imagine a cloud of gas and dust spinning in the void of space. At its center, the pressure and temperature rise, eventually igniting the birth of a star, our Sun. Around this new star, the remaining dust and gas continue to spin, slowly clumping together, colliding and growing to form the planets of our solar system. Among these planets was a special one, third from the Sun, our Earth. It was a violent and fiery birth, a world of molten rock and metal. But from this chaos, over billions of years, our familiar blue and green planet would eventually emerge. So that's how Earth was born, a tiny speck in the vast universe. A tale of cosmic proportions, born from stardust, shaped by time and the forces of nature. A tale that continues to unfold even today. From a fiery rock to a blue planet, how did Earth evolve? The answer to this lies in a story that spans billions of years, a tale of transformation and resilience. Our Earth in its infancy was a hot molten body. Over time it began to cool down, a process that took millions of years. As it cooled, the outer layer solidified to form a thin crust. This was the first step in Earth's long journey of evolution. While the Earth was cooling, something extraordinary was happening. Water vapor, which was present in the atmosphere, began to condense and fall as rain. Over centuries, this relentless rainfall filled the depressions on the Earth's surface, creating the world's first oceans. But the Earth was still not the blue planet we know today. It was missing a crucial component: life. The first life forms were microscopic organisms that appeared in the oceans around 3.5 billion years ago. These tiny creatures were the pioneers in a grand saga of biological evolution that would eventually give rise to the diverse life forms we see today. Fast forward through the eons, and we see the Earth changing dramatically. The crust, once a single landmass, broke apart and drifted to form the continents. This process, known as plate tectonics, is responsible for the shape of the Earth as we know it. Life on Earth was not a static affair either. It evolved, adapted, and diversified. From the age of the dinosaurs to the rise of mammals, each geological period played its part in shaping the biodiversity of our planet. Through all these changes, Earth has proven to be a resilient world. It has survived asteroid impacts, ice ages, and mass extinctions. Each event, while catastrophic at the time, ultimately led to new opportunities for life to evolve and thrive. The Earth has witnessed and survived countless changes to become the planet we call home, and as we look to the future, we can only wonder at the new chapters that this remarkable planet will write in its ongoing story of evolution. When did humans first step foot on Earth, and how have they shaped it? Our journey begins around 7 million years ago, with the emergence of the first hominids, our earliest ancestors. Over millions of years, these hominids evolved, developing tools, language, and complex social structures. The Homo sapiens, the species we all belong to, appeared around 200,000 years ago. Fast forward to about 10,000 years ago, the dawn of civilization. Humans, now settled in various parts of the world, began to cultivate the land, laying the groundwork for the first cities and states. This era, known as the Neolithic Revolution, marked a significant turning point in our history. From hunters and gatherers, we became farmers and city dwellers. As centuries rolled by, human civilizations flourished. The wheel was invented, writing systems were developed, and great empires were built. Each civilization, from the ancient Egyptians to the Greeks and Romans, contributed to the collective knowledge and progress of humanity. Then came the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century, a period of rapid industrialization and technological advancement. This revolution transformed every aspect of human life, from transportation and communication to production and consumption. It also marked the beginning of significant human-induced environmental changes. In the past century alone, our technological prowess has skyrocketed. We've split the atom, walked on the moon, and created a digital world that connects us all. Yet with these advancements, we've also altered our planet in unprecedented ways. From deforestation and pollution to climate change and biodiversity loss, our actions have had a profound impact on Earth and its delicate ecosystems. We've come a long way since our ancestors first roamed the African savanna. We've built civilizations, created technology, and explored the cosmos. Yet our journey is not without its consequences. The challenges we face today serve as a stark reminder of the footprint we leave on this planet. Human beings, a recent addition to Earth's timeline, have left an undeniable mark on the planet. As we look back at Earth's history, what can it tell us about the future? From the enigmatic birth of our planet through its evolution to the epic of humanity, the Earth's journey has been a mesmerizing tale of resilience and transformation. Born from cosmic dust and gas, Earth has undergone monumental shifts, from a molten mass to a vibrant, life-supporting oasis in the vastness of space. The evolution of this blue planet has been marked by the advent of life, the rise and fall of species, the formation of continents, and the climatic shifts that have shaped our world. The human era has brought about technological advances, but also unprecedented challenges, the most pressing of which is climate change. The future of Earth, at the current rate of human impact and climate change, may seem uncertain. Yet it's important to remember that our planet has survived and thrived through countless adversities. As custodians of this blue planet, the future of Earth lies in our hands.